Hey YouTube, what's up? It's the Paramedic Coach. We're holding a LITTMAN Cardiology 4 giveaway. The winner will be announced May 25th, 2020 at 7:30 Eastern Time across all of my social media platforms. Now, to enter, the links are down in the description. You'll see it says step 1, then step 2. So step 1 is going to click in that video. First, make sure you're subscribed. So like this video here, make sure you're subscribed to the Paramedic Coach, okay? Now in step 1, now you're subscribed, you hit like on this video, what you're going to do next is you're then going to go to step 1. On step 1, you're going to like that video, okay? You're already subscribed, so you're good. And you're going to comment down below #EMT. Now in step 2, you're going to go to step 2, you're going to like that video and you're going to put #Paramedic, okay? #Paramedic on that video. And that's it, you're in. That way I can run the randomizer to choose the winner of the LITTMAN scope. The last winner was Jackie Beck, so congrats to Jackie. And we're going to be having a new winner, it's LITTMAN Cardiology 4. Hey, if you didn't know, I do LITTMAN Cardiology giveaways pretty much every month. We're going to be doing all kinds of LITTMAN scopes. The next one's going to be pretty cool as well. So, I will see you next time. Follow the steps. See you tomorrow.